nabadde ndi ku live ey'omwami gwe bayita Prof X oba Prof X. Omwami ono simanyi bulungi nsi gy'avaamu naye alabika afaananga owa West Africa. Alina mission yakulabisa ba false prophets ndowooza mu nsi yonna. Agenze mu mawanga ag'enjawulo like alondobayo abantu ono false prophet ono biki bwe bityo. Era ne wano mu Uganda yafunamu yayogera nnyo ku Kayanja n'ayogera ku Kakande. So ndowooza seri yaabwe ebadde yakaggwa. Lumu aba ali ku live Pastor Mondo no waffe n'alinya waggulu ku ka podium n'agamba aze kulabisa waliwo omusajja yali yeyita omulogo nga we Nigeria eyo naye ndowooza oba nga ali best mu US saamanya bulungi naye waali kati naye nga Pastor Mondo aze kumulabisa nga mugamba you're not a witch, you're just stealing from people. Nze njagala nkakase so ne ba exchanging oli amugamba ya mawitch oli amugamba you're not a witch bwe bityo. Pastor Mondo aba akyali awo ne kujjako omuwala nga wansi munnansi wa Kenya ng'omuwala agamba mbu Pastor Mondo yamukwata yamukozesa. Pastor Mondo n'avaako so omuwala n'agenda mu maaso nga annyonnyola circumstances n'agamba mbu Pastor Mondo yali amumanyi from church kubanga era yagenda okuva wano mu Uganda nga pastor oba mubuulizi wa njiri era ng'agenda mu nsi ez'enjawulo. So I assume nti yagendangako mu church eyo oyo omwala oyo yasabira kubanga omuwala agamba yamumanya ate yamumanyira from Kenya ate yamumanya from church. So omuwala agamba yamutegeera era yamumanyira mu church n'ayagala amuyambeko okufuna a job connection. Pastor Mondo n'akkiriza to connect her ku mulimu. Omuwala bambuza mulimu ki yagambye omulimu gwa spa.
Okay, he invited me. He told me that he has work for me. So I believed it was work he was calling me for because I knew him from a church and he had sex with me.
Hey,
Yeah, he's not a man of God. Don't be deceived.
you said what happened?
I said he was trying to connect me for work, but he had sex with me instead. He like, it was forceful. It was not willing.
How do you know him?
From a church.
So omuwala omulidde agamba yamanyira Pastor Mondo mu church era n'agamba Pastor Mondo teyakola kiki yali alina kukola wabula yamuforcinga buforcinzi n'amukozesa.
Which work was he calling you for?
If he told me it's like a spa work. Spa.
Omuwala agamba bambuza oba yaloopa, agamba teyaloopa kubanga ebiseera ebyo yali muto ate ekyokubiri talina ssente kusobola kuwaabira muntu nga Pastor Mondo. Ate n'ekirala agamba Pastor Mondo yamutiisatiisa.
I don't want to give too much information because he will know
But
it is
now,
me, and he threatened me. He threatened me.
he threatened you.
Yeah.
Are you talking about Dr. Mondo, the one who was here?
Yeah, that huge guy, yeah.
Era waneeno omuwala waagambira mbu olwamala okumukozesa Pastor Mondo yamuwa ssente, yawa omuwala ssente, yamuwa nusu kasanvu ez'e Kenya. Nusu kasanvu oba eza Uganda ziba mmekaawo osobola okukomputingamu n'olaba.
It's not even now. It's like a year ago. After that, he gave me money.
How much?
It was 7,000
Shillings or US dollars?
shillings, Kenya shillings.
Why did you accept the money?
I did because, okay, to me, I will be honest. I went to look for work, so I was in need of money. And when he offered that money after that action, I just took the money. I won't lie. Yes, I took the money, but I've never forgiven him because it was something that he did.
Pastor Mondo yakomawo enkeera naye Pastor Mondo bwe yakomawo yeegaana n'agamba si bituufu naye neegaana ye yali eri awo bwetyo bwetyo lwa nsonga Pastor Mondo mu kifo kya like straight away okugamba nti omuwala simumanyi oba tekibangawo yabadde awo ng'abuuza bibuuzo mbu bwe mba namwa nusu kasanvu kiba kitegeeza waliwo transaction ate kati amanja ki ate kakati biki ebintu bwe bityo naye nga ye yeegaanye sooka omuwulirize.
But yeah, they told me there was a girl who was coming here to say that I slept with her. But in Africa, since when? Number two, where there's a willing seller, there is a willing buyer. I'm not an angel. Any woman I can meet as a man and I like her and she likes me, I can sleep with them. But that's also could be my dark days when I didn't know what to do. It's like someone coming up to say, why were you the Alpha cow? That kind of mindset. But anybody who is coming as a woman to say, I slept with him, they're looking for relevancy and marriage. And if she did so, she should be very grateful that I did. So what? Am I the first person in her life? I even don't know the person. Number two, a person who comes in a private account to attack me, there has a problem. But a woman to say that I slept with her, hey, if I met you again, I would do that.
Okay. The issue was not you having slept together, but the circumstances or the conditions under which you slept together. She alleges that it was not consensual. It was you imposing yourself on her. Like, if I would put it correctly, she labeled it as grape.
Well, she can say anything she wants to say. But when they are two willing, these are things which are done by two people. When did she go to police? Where does she come from? That's my question. Which country?
It happened in Kenya, according to her.
Which year?
Last year. So it happened last year, and you gave her 7,000 Kenya shillings afterwards.
And she took the money.
Yes, and you blocked her after she tried to reach out to you.
That is very sweet. There's a transaction here, sir.
Oh, what does that mean?
There's a transaction. If I ate, I paid. But last year I was not in Kenya anyway, so I was in Europe all of last year. From actually December 2023, yes, I was out. So I was not in Kenya. But I can say anybody can judge me as guilty as that. To me, that is not a for me.
The problem
If
is
she listen to me, if she took money from me, that was a transaction, sir. Is that right?
Okay, her story is like this. She came to you under the false pretense that you were going to afford a job opportunity. And it did not happen as you had promised. Everything.
But I can say this, anybody can allege the way she wants to allege, or anybody can allege whatever they want to allege. But to me, I don't know her. And if she says I gave her 7,000, then that means that was a transaction.
Omwana okubeera desperate ng'anoonya omulimu kiki ennyo. Omwana atuuka okuba nga agamba kasita bagenda kumpa omulimu kampeeyo omubiri gwange. As long as nze nfunye omulimu sijja kufaayo. Kati olaba mwana agenze okunoonya omulimu tagufunye atafuniddeyo bulwadde. Abaana abobuwala twebeereremu bannaaye. Abaana abobuwala twebeereremu. Omulimu olw'okuba omuntu akusuubizza omulimu ate ayagala taking that advantage akukozese. Do away with that job. Genda onoonye omulala. Oba sooka otule wakakakkana. Bwe wabange wakati bakugobyewo. Abaana basinga oluva ku kampasi agamba nze kati wano wakati sikyasobolawo. Ekiddako nze kufuna mulimu. N'agenda atandika okupambana emirimu naye ng'emirimu gyonna gy'agenze oginoonya. Bamala kumugamba bamugamba omala kunkolera kino ndyoke kukolere kino. abaana ab'obuwala omulimu tegukutuusangaawo kati oyo ali eyakaaba awoza oyo omusajja he's not a man of God kubanga yankozesa mwekozesa mwenna nze kyemba nkugamba ate n'ekyo kya nusu kasanvu teyakinnyonnyodde kukimalayo we yagambire mbu yampa nusu kasanvu yakuwa nusu kasanvu wazikwata tewazikwata nti nazikwata kiba kitegeeza there was a transaction obadde olina by'omuguza gwa kasanvu yakuwa kaaki